Hello, everyone, all teachers at KD Cambridge. I welcome you, KCA. I welcome all teachers. Today, inshallah, I'm going to walk you through how to create your own Google Classroom with all the details, login details that we have sent to you. Without delay or wasting much of your time, let's dive in and let me share the screen with you. So first of all, I'm sharing the screen here. You can see the screen. This is my own classroom. I have three classes in this Google Classroom. But to get to this page, what you need to do, you should look at the right-hand side, top hand right side of your own browser. You will find these three dots. Click on these three dots, and then you will find some apps. You will not see this admin for you, but you will find this Google Classroom or this classroom. You click on this classroom, a page like this one will open. That's the first step. The second step is you come to this add button before this nine dots. Click on the add button, and then you will what will appear to you is join class or create a class. So as a teacher, you are not joining a class. Student will click on join class and use the class code. But as a teacher, you're going to use create a class. So when you click on create a class, this form will appear. Then you write the name of the class. For example, I can write grade 4, grade 4 mathematics. Mathematics. This is the most important part that you need to fill. Then you click on create a class, and that's it. You have created your own classroom, grade 4 mathematics. Then what is next? You can come here and generate link so that any other student can use this link when they access the Google Classroom to join your own class, so that you'll be able to give them classwork, you'll be able to give them assignment, you'll be able to add some materials that they will use in the classroom. Or they can copy, you can give your class this code for grade 4 mathematics. So they will do the same. They will go to the top right corner and then click on add, and then join a class, then put on insert this code, and then automatically your student can join this particular grade 4 mathematics class. Okay, this is how to invite students or how to add students in your class, create the class, and invite your students. This is the first thing you should do. I want you to give it a try. And then in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to add contents to your own classroom.